Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be adding the new battle code. It's just going to make everything shorter, easier to work with, and that's all I'm going to do this episode. I was planning on doing more, but that would make it like over half an hour long video. So this will be a lot quicker. I'll divide it into like two parts. The next episode I'll add the XP, the levels, and I'm going to edit the coins so that they're randomized, and we're also going to have harder and random monsters depending on your level. So let's start this off by doing battle attack we're going to create, and then we're going to make this here, and this here, and this here, because we're going to end up deleting all those. We're going to do if percent battle I percent equal 2, we're going to set this right here. That'll be that, and then we'll do if percent has knife percent equal t, if percent battle I percent equal 3, we're going to do this. That makes sure you're not using a weapon you're not supposed to, and it checks that you wanted to do that option. So we're going to do the exact same thing but with the short sword. So let's do this right here. Has short sword T if it equals 4, and then we'll copy the short sword that we added last episode, and we'll paste that right there, 4-1 instead. And that's it. We just have to, that's it for us dealing damage. We'll have to check the monster's health. We'll have to attack us if he's still alive, and then we'll have to send us to lose if he ends up killing us. After this, we'll just go to battle again, and we can delete all 3 of these, and now the code's a lot shorter and a lot easier just to edit, because all you have to do is add another one of these, and that's it. That should be the battle attack. So let's close out of this and let's start the game and test it out. Chris is my name. I will go to the battle, and let's make sure everything works. I can still punch, and that's going to be the episode. Shorter, a lot easier, and next time I'll be adding XP, levels, harder monsters, and I'm going to randomize the coins up depending on the monster's health and how tough it is. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.